Terminator time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2003 Ford Mustang Cobra. This is sequence number 5653. It's a 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, and listen to this. 13,579 is all that's on this car right now. That's right, 13,579. Of course, the Terminator engine, the 4.6-liter dual overhead cam underneath the hood. Tremec T56 6-speed. Let's take a look at this front fascia. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. There's a couple small little spots that have been touched up. And again, I'm talking some very small little spots. It is black, but overall, this car has a mirror-like finish, well taken care of and maintained. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the correct SVT chrome wheels, Nitto radials. Along with this car, the previous owners have saved the window sticker. There's actually a copy of the invoice, the SVT certificate, owner's letter. There's pre-delivery pictures of this car when it was at the dealership getting picked up. And then there's also all of the things that would have came off the car from stickers and the dealer removal before delivery. That's kept with it in a 3-ring binder. So a well taken care of car. Bucket seats, of course, the dark charcoal with suede inserts, center console, power seat, driver's side, black clear coat paint, as you can also see. Let's take a look at the dual exhaust on the rear. Once again, still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. And you will be able to see the pictures of the showroom brochure that's going to go with it, the window sticker, if you want to see exactly how this is equipped, the certificate, owner's letter. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example. We do not get a lot of these through, and you do not see a lot of these coming up for sale with this kind of miles on them, let alone the condition. I don't think this one's going to last too long. You can see up and down this driver's side. Paint also shows well. Nice luster to it. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little bit closer. First of all, back seats, I didn't think it hardly has looked like they've been sat in. Of course, we have a power seat on this driver's side over here, right up in front. We're going to slide this back. See, that is working. Suede, beautiful shape. You can see the nap of it. Very nice condition, bolster. Not showing much wear at all. And how about the best part? We should probably fire this up. Put the keys in my pocket. Check out the exact miles. If you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take you for a drive. All right. No check engine lights. Service engine soon. Just the seatbelt warning. There's your exact miles. 13,579. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Top of the dash. Perfect. AC blows cold. We're going to click that off. AM FM CD player with a 6 CD in dash changer. These were rated at 390 horse, 390 pound-feet of torque in 2003, although most people that know anything about these will say that horsepower is underrated from Ford on purpose. Listen. This one sounds good. I've not noticed any modifications on it either. Have any stories about owning one of these? Maybe you have one now and you're just watching this video. Go ahead and put a comment down below. I'd like to hear about these cars. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, get the hood open so we can take a peek at that engine bay. Again, that 4.6 liter dual overhead cam Terminator engine. Let's take a peek. There's a look underneath the heat extractor hood. And here it is. So first off, of course, hand built. Want to know who hand built it? It's going to be stamped right on that plate right there. Two-person team. These are becoming more and more collectible, no doubt about that. Looks good underneath the hood. Smooth runner. Looks and sounds just like you'd expect. Two-owner 2003 Ford Mustang Cobra. Low miles. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2003 Ford Mustang Cobra Terminator. This is a 6-speed manual for the most fun you can have shifting the gears. Let's go see how she does. It's quick. It is easy to shift. You just put your foot down and let up and go to the next one. That's how quick she accelerates. Not overly noisy, a little subdued. You hear the whine, which is a beautiful sound. The whine of that supercharger. Our fuel gauge is showing a half of a tank, a little less than half of a tank. Temperature a little less than half on the gauge as well. We have a boost gauge, and that'll move when you put your foot in it. The oil pressure is over half on the gauge. The tach and speedometer are working as they should. Stereo sounds good. I had to turn the bass and treble up. Jay didn't have it tuned exactly right. Sounds a lot better. AC's blowing cold on this car. Comfortable seats with cloth in the middle. And leather on the sides, so you're not sweating against that leather. Corners very flat. I'm not feeling a lean very much at all. There, I broke the tires loose just a little bit. What a fun car to drive. Just listen to the whine. That's the best part. Take a look at all the pictures of this Cobra Terminator at UniqueClassicCars.com.